Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, we are now on the 4th week of November, the 34th week of Ordinary Time. This is the last week of our liturgical year 2021. The last Sunday of the liturgical year is designated as the Solemnity of Christ the King. This feast reminds us that Jesus is the Lord over all creation. It is an invitation for us to enthrone Him as the King of our hearts and our lives. Let Him reign. We are about to enter a new year for the Church. We begin a new liturgical cycle through the Advent season. Advent has a twofold character. One, it is a 4-week preparation for Christmas. Being a penitential season, we suspend the singing of the Gloria on Sundays. Second, it sets our minds to look forward to Christ's second coming, the parousia, at the end of time. Advent is a period of expectant waiting. Its official color is violet. Our Advent prayer is, Maranatha, come Lord Jesus. The Advent wreath symbolizes the season. It is usually placed on the sanctuary with its 4 candles to make a countdown for Christmas. As we end the liturgical season of 2021, let us be reminded that nothing is permanent. Only God is constant.